Welcome to another District 75 AI tutorial. Today I will show you how to use Magic School to brainstorm and create a science lab. To access Magic School, begin by searching in your browser, then click on the Magic School website. Magic School is approved by New York City Public Schools, so start by logging in with your New York City Public Schools login. From the Magic School homepage, you will see all of the tools available to you. Today, we will be using the Science Lab generator, which you can search for in the top bar. Here on the Science Labs page, you'll be able to add your information. Starting off at the top, select your grade level. I'm building a science lab for 10th grade, so I select 10th grade. Then I add in my science lab description here. I'm going to paste in a prompt that I created. Create an interactive science lab that demonstrates how Earth's four spheres work together. You can pause here, read a little bit more. I include information about the students, their present levels, and any other requests I have for the lab that I am building. Additionally, the final section is standard set to align to. This just provides more information. Pause here and try this for yourself. Log into Magic School, find the Science Labs tool, and begin to plug in your information, standards, grade, and begin to generate your lab. Once you have all your information filled out, click the purple Generate button at the bottom. From here, Magic School will begin to brainstorm and build your science lab layout. As I begin to review Magic School's output, I see that it includes the objective, materials needed, as well as different steps, a sorting game. Looks like 4 steps here for the lab, as well as additional reflection questions at the bottom. As you begin to review, begin to think of changes you might like in your lab. Here, I'm adding an adjustment. Adjust Science Lab to be more group-based. This iteration allows my science lab to be more targeted towards what I want the instruction and lab to look like. If you are interested in seeing how to use this information to build an online science lab, stay tuned for a quick embedded tutorial of using Canva to build that online experiment. But if you are all set with this tutorial, feel free to click forward to 4 minutes and 11 seconds to wrap up this tutorial. Here I'm going to give a quick overview on how to use Canva to build your online science lab using the copied information from my first iteration on that Magic School tutorial. So I copied that first iteration, the output it gave me, and now I uploaded that up into Canva AI's Create feature. Pasted that directly in as Magic School provided it to me, and now Canva is beginning to generate my code. Here you can see the output. Canva generated the science lab into a sorting game. So this might not be your entire lab, but this may be a part of your lab or part of your instruction. Here you can see all of the features are completely interactive with that green check mark when I am right. And here I think I am about to drop, there we go, get one wrong. And it gives you the red X for wrong. So just checking the accessibility of your game, looking at all the features, if you decide to use this element, and then to save this and come back to it, click the Use in Design button in the top right corner. You can select any of those options, but I clicked Presentation, and then that will go ahead and open up for you in your Canva. From here to access, zoom in a little bit there, you'll click through the Present button. And then you'll be able to play this in your lab with your students, in your groups, making your science lab come to life online. It's important to note that as you begin to explore these tools and implement them in your instruction, that you are continuously reviewing the outputs and making adjustments to best meet your learners' needs and maintain integrity in your instruction. Use AI responsibly and consider the environmental impact. For more information or to provide feedback, please visit www.d75stem.com/AI. Thanks for watching.